Hello viewers, welcome to VVRAM Tech Tools. In this video, we will learn C programming simple if statements. Conditional statements. C conditional statements allows you to make a decision. The programmers indicates several conditions for evaluation within a program. The statements will get executed only if the condition becomes true, and optionally alternative statement or set of statements will get executed if the condition became false. Here we can see the flowchart of the decision making technique in C. And first we started our program. In that it looks into the our condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute our code or the statements which we given in the C block, and after that if the execution is completed, our program will be stops. If the condition fails, that means which we given the condition is fails, then the code which we given in the block will not execute, and finally it will stop our program. In this way the flowchart and decision make technique is follows. Okay. If statements, there are four different types of if statements. They are simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, and else if statements ladder. Okay, in this video we will learn simple if statement and if else statement. See if statements. Syntax of if statement. The statements inside the body of if only executes if the given condition returns true. If the condition returns false, then the statements inside if are skipped. If we see here the if condition, a block of C statements are in between the curly brackets, and the statements will only executed if the if condition is true. Okay. Simple if statement. Here we have a example. We included the standard input output predefined header function. We know that standard input and standard output how they are performed, and it is the we have the integer main function. Within the main function our program will be executed. Okay. Here we have a integer x, assigned value is 20, and here is the integer y variable and assigned value is 22. Okay. If you see here, if the if condition x is less than y, then it prints the variable x is less than y. Okay. And if the program executes successfully, it will returns the value 0. That means if the condition is not that means true, or that means it is a false, then it will not print this variable x is less than y. Okay. Let us jump into our program. This is our C++ IDE. Here we can see our program. See if statement.c. I saved my C program here, and this is my include the which the program has been discussed. This is the format, and includes to standard input output header, and integer type main function, and integer x is equal to 7 value is assigned, and integer y is equal to 18. If the x is less than y, then it will print this one y. That means which we given in the, that means variable x is less than y is there, right? It will print that statement, and finally return value 0 if it is successful. See, let us assume x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 18, right? 17 is less than 18. That means it have to print the variable x is less than y. Okay, let us execute this one. Go to executes and click on compile, and compiled result is that 0 errors and 0 warnings, and we got if statement.exe executed file, and compilation time and output size. And after that, go to execute and click on run F10. See here, our condition is true. What I want to convey is here is, see, if x is less than y, our condition is true, right? 17 is less than 18, so we ask to print that statement variable x is less than y. See here, the output is variable x is less than y. Okay, in this way we can perform the if statements. Okay, let us jump into our PPT. Here is the if else statement syntax, and here we can see the if condition. If condition is true, it will execute the statement 1. Otherwise, it will look into the else, execute statement 2. Okay, in this way we can perform the if else statements, and we have the example if else statement. Okay, see here, we have first example. In this example we include the standard input output predefined library. After that, we have the main function integer type, and integer x is equal to 20 or assigned 20, and integer variable y is assigned 22 value. If the condition x is less than y, we ask to print the x is less than y. Else, if the condition not satisfies this one, now x is not less than y, then we ask to print the variable x is greater than y. Then we ask to return the value 0 if it is successful. Our program is okay. Let us jump into the our IDE. Here we have the if else program. In it is saved in the if else.c, as if else.c is our program, and we include the standard input output. We have the main function integer type, and integer x is equal to 20 and integer y is equal to 18. And if x is less than y, we ask to print x is less than y. Else we ask to print x is greater than y. Okay, and finally we ask to return the value 0. If we see, assume that x here given that x is 20 and y is 18. If here x is greater than y, that means this condition is fails, right? If x less than y is fails, so it will not print this statement, and that's way the next statement is it have to print the print x is greater than y. Let us jump and execute this one. Go to execute, click on compile or F9, and we got the no errors and 0 errors, and we got if else execute file, and go to execute and click on run or F10. See here we got an output. Okay, what the output we got? X is greater than y. Okay, we got x is greater than y. Why it is print that manner? Here if we put x is equal to 20 less than 18, that means this condition fails. That's why it looks into else statement, and in the code we have the code, this is executed. What we have, we ask the printf, that means it will print the screen variable x is greater than y. This is the happen here, right? Let us change some values. I want to give here some 16 value, and then I want to save it, control s, and let us here see I changed value, x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 18. If we assume here x is equal to 16 less than 18, that means condition 16 less than 18 is passed in this if state, if condition. So this will print this code, that means execute this code, that means it will print the variable x is less than y, and it will not go to this block because already this executed true, right? Then this block will ends. Let us execute this one. Go to executes, click on compile, and go to execute, and see here we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. So go to execute and go to run, or click F10. See here, sorry, execute again. See here, condition satisfies if here x is less than y, 16 is less than 18. So it executes this code, prints the variable x is less than y. See here, our output is variable x is less than y. Okay, fine. In this way we can perform our programs in C, if and if else statements, and we will see in the next video nested and the else if statements. Okay, thank you.